This ended up being the day. Let's see when the storm impacted home. Quick drop from about 20 or so degrees down to 15, sorry. This is where you can really tell what a storm happened. The pressure increase and the storm total. It was a very quick 3.5 millimeters of rain with a little excess drop to give 4 millimeters of rain roughly for the storm total. It was very quick. And it was a very heavy downpour. There was the region to the east, station 2 just to the southeast, closer to where the storms were trailing over, ended up with about 11 millimeters in like an hour or so. Yeah. In the end, day's done. Well, as far as how the skies look, day's done. Another day I could have chased. I got something, but couldn't because of work. I don't know. I may see you guys later on tonight, if not tomorrow.
Alright, here's the forecast update. Yeah, 6% chance of showers today. A few showers tonight, ending like this evening. And then tomorrow, 6% chance of showers later in the afternoon with the risk of a thunderstorm in the afternoon. And then a 6% chance of showers Saturday night straight through till Sunday night. Yeah, the weather network is not with showing, there's nothing to it. That's the funny thing though. Now Environment Canada's really doing it with the precept, the weather network. To be quite fair with you, it's pretty dull with it. But mind you, most of this is going to be thunderstorm threats, legitimately. Most of this is going to be thunderstorm threats. At least the daytime portions of them anyways. Scroll down. Break Monday, then 30% chance Monday night, 6% chance Tuesday and Wednesday, all day. And then, like I said, you can tell, just by the temperature alone, there's going to be a thunderstorm threat. But, yeah. Had a rough night last night, so didn't... There was lightning detections 30 kilometers to my south at 9 o'clock, so I wonder what that was like, but after... I checked the lightning maps and there's nothing. I saw what it was and I would have seen shit. So maybe some distant flashes, but to be honest with you, nothing to get me excited. On that note, I'll see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow.
Suspect heavy rainfall. 1.5 millimeters of that puts us at roughly 60 millimeters for the month. And again, halfway through the month, already at 60. Can we get to 75? We'll find out. It's not out of question, but I'm doubtful. Because if we're going probably from here on forward, it's going to be mostly from storms than anything, but yeah. Alrighty, here's the forecast from this afternoon. Well, yesterday afternoon. Nothing really has changed. It's just focusing on tomorrow. Here we got a 6% chance of showers late in the afternoon with a risk of a thunderstorm late in the afternoon, and then a 6% chance of showers tomorrow night or tonight. Why not? Yeah, tomorrow night with a risk of a thunderstorm in the evening. So it goes into the mid-evening hours. Take that. Looking at the fucking radar, though, it looks like no, sorry. Looking at the overall threat, it looks like ass here. It looks like we're totally miss it to the east, so I don't know if maybe I want to head somewhere or not tomorrow, or today, sorry, but I don't really feel like going, because the overall threat either way looks like ass. If I go east or not, it just looks a bit better if I go east. Either way, this is the threat for tomorrow. Minor, isolated, 10 to 50 millimeter rainfall, 50k gusts. What I have Quarter to half centimeter size hail, 50-60 gusts, heavy downpours, and isolated scattered. That's what I have for tomorrow, but in a very similar area, very similar. Without even actually looking at it, but then not doing the outlook until a couple hours later, so. And I can quickly not remember these things if I need to make an outlook for myself, so. Yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. In the morning. See how the threat turns out. Don't worry about the time. The forecast is as is. Tomorrow, 6%, 40% chance showers in the afternoon with a risk of thunderstorm late in the afternoon, presumably for Sunday night as well. So far as of now, nothing's happening, so it's not like, despite the time, I didn't miss shit. Because literally nothing's happening. Like, literally, in BC, nothing's fucking happening right now. So. And then, this is the right outlook for today. You know, as I suspected for the D area. As I suspected the Kootenays were going to get something decent. Just didn't feel confident with it yesterday, but last night, but here, there it is. But otherwise, we're in the area, just isolate thunderstorms as possible. And that's far in the C area, nothing. C area is not even that much of a moderate risk, it's just because of the rainfall. But yeah, either way, nothing as of yet. Threat goes still this evening, so on that note, I'll see you guys later on today. If not tomorrow. Ain't today spring day without windy conditions. And a bunch of convective showers. Which will persist for the rest of the day, like including this evening. This is not much other than that. Keep an eye on this, but I doubt it'll do anything. Yeah. fuck is happening? It just increased like half a millimeter in like 10 minutes. Oh my lord. Is there not a day without fucking rain? We are now officially in tomorrow, but fucking seriously? I was expecting this sort of, but more further to the east, really. Fucking hell. Yeah. Looks like a good few millimeter. Looks like a good millimeter right now, that's for sure. Just by the pooling. It was definitely a downpour at one point. Visually. Oh man. Ever fucking not wet. Seriously. I'm sure you guys are really on the bed. What the fuck? Oh, what we get for sitting under fucking trophy in the goddamn middle of June. It's always gonna produce a fuck ton of rain. Well, not a fuck ton, but now we're at above 60 millimeters for the fucking month. As far as what we're looking at in the future, it's not out of question we could get to 75, but I'd hedge a bet and say 70. I could see us getting that 10 millimeters from where we are now. So, yeah. Oh, God. Here's what the radar is showing. It's a combination of it's a split flow over us. We got the one from the upper low to our south and a separate thing to the north. You can see the two separate flows. You can see one northwest and then another out of the northwest and another one coming straight out of the south. Now in that case, we're gonna be sitting on rain for quite a while tonight. I can see it already. We're already at well, that was for yesterday. So right now we're actually at nothing for today. But yesterday we were already at 3/4 of a millimeter. Yeah, isolated scattered convection over us. A bit widespread, but it's not what I would classically say is widespread. It's a lot more isolated scattered. Oh, jeez. Nearing the end of it, I think. Jesus. We got a couple millimeters for today. That's on top of what 3/4 we got yesterday. In a matter of like half an hour or so. Brings us at 3 millimeters. But in technicality, we got 2 days of rainfall. 2 days of rainfall. Oh god, we were looking at going another day, going for a second day straight without rainfall, but of course not. We need more rain. Oh jeez. How fun. Here is the forecast for today. for the morning here. So a few showers ending this morning and cloudy with a 6% chance of showers this afternoon. Risk of a thunderstorm this afternoon. 40% chance of showers this evening with a risk of a thunderstorm later this evening. And then tomorrow, 30% chance of showers late in the afternoon with a risk of a thunderstorm late in the afternoon. And then 30% chance of showers Monday night. And then Wednesday night, a 40% chance of showers there. And I believe after that, it's nothing else. But yeah, I expect it to at least minimally clear later on. There'd be no way if it's going to be cloudy, like actually properly cloudy, where we would get up to 20 degrees. So there'll be at least a minimal clearing expected at some point in the morning, afternoon, before convection becomes more prevalent. I mean, yeah. I mean, it already is, but that's like daytime convection. Not the morning, well, not this. Not this shit. Let this simmer down and then there'll be at least some clearing expected. Or cloud breakage. But yeah, as of now, it's looking pretty unlikely. But give it time. And I said, and I'm saying majority of the threat area, but not the totality of the threat area, but the majority of it. So at least 75% of it. And as such, this is the threat for today: 10 to 15 mm rainfall, isolated thunderstorms. Nothing spectacular. And on that note, I will see you guys later on today. Yeah. Wet, soggy, and it freaking stinks. It's clearing over there to our west, but that's about it. This weather is ass. Here's the radar. Got heavy rain coming in. Oh shit. What a time to start this. Oh, this is what it looks like on the radar. Like close up. It's not that. Oh. Quickly, come on. Oh, you go to long range. Yeah, it's not that impressive. That's this stuff here. It's just big ass drops. Love when it matters. Heaviest bit is right back there. Never fails. We just can't stop getting fucking rain. Like seriously. We're at 10 millimeters for the day already. Fucking seriously. It just won't stop raining. See, that's the heaviest bit right there. It's raining pretty rapidly, but you hear that? That's what I'm talking about. Radar is now. It's actually heading straight for home. Ooh. And we're right on the edge of it right now. What? Isolated fucking thunderstorms, and look at what's. We're in a moderate risk for fucking 10 millimeter rainfall. I've never seen that before. They go for 10 to 15, but never just 10. I don't know what the fuck that's for. They're very inconsistent with the risks. BC, ECCC BC, because for our area, because of the stupid dry belt crap. When in reality, it should be all the same goddamn thing. Across the board, it shouldn't matter on where I'm located. But yeah, worst of it's past, it seems like. Alright, here's the forecast. It's a bit blocked off in the end there, but 30% chance of showers late in the afternoon tomorrow with the risk of a thunderstorm with a humidex value of 26. And then Monday night, 30% chance of showers early in the evening with the risk of a thunderstorm as well. Fuck's sake, this rain. Scroll down. 40% chance of showers Wednesday, 6% chance of showers Wednesday night through till Thursday. The main bit here of why I scrolled this down is now we're seeing our first Can't believe I'm saying this now. First, close to 30-degree forecast. 28+ degree forecasted temp. We got 29 on Saturday there. See how that holds up. But seemingly after Thursday, we should be in the clear. Ridging forms and we get dry. Finally. Not before we get 70 fucking millimeters. We're going for 75. We're literally going for 75 millimeters of rain. And then the outlook, but closer up. I'll do the radar when I'm heading out of work, which will be in about a little over an hour, 2 hours. So. Disgusting. I mean, it feels like more like April weather. Like late April, early May. This kind of like wet, cool temps and all that. Still with thunderstorm threats. Alright, here's the radar. A heavy downpour moved through while I was in work, but luckily I had my camera set up for that. Yeah, no thunderstorms, but we get ourselves another heavy downpour right here momentarily. Driving home, so we shall see. Yeah. On that note, I'll see you guys back at home. Pending if it's actually any heavy or not. Oh, God. You're fucking kidding me. It physically never stops fucking raining. This is ridiculous. Oh yeah, by the way, it's just a couple chances of showers for today. Fucking seriously. Got 10 millimeters, we got 9 millimeters last night, we got an additional like 4 thus far. It's fucking bullshit saying chances of showers. God. It's a misty rain, but Jesus. It never freaking ends. Oh, wow. Getting some high, or shall I say elevated showers passing over this morning. Jesus, shit all over the place this morning. Lovely weather. Shit. Fucking dumbass. Come on. Hugest rainbow I've ever seen. In terms of size, like look at that. It's like a triple rainbow. So I see 2 reds. Alright, here's the forecast update for the morning. So we got 30% chance of showers early this morning and late this afternoon, as we saw. With the rainbow, and then a risk of thunderstorm late this afternoon, and then 30% chance of showers this evening, with a risk of a thunderstorm early this evening. Humidex of 25, not too shabby. Break on Tuesday there, and then Wednesday, 40% chance of showers all day there. For a while longer. Radar wasn't much interesting. It was a bunch of elevated convection. Really cool was on Thursday, but then the swing though. Thursday 6% chance of showers with a high of 16 degrees, and then only a few days later it quickly climbs to 31 degree high on there for Sunday. First forecast to 30 degree high, plus degree high of the season. But we shall see if that actually comes into fruition. Because, hold on a second here. After we show this. 60k gusts, isolated thunderstorms. We're just outside it, but they include us anyways. Makes sense, I guess. Sort of. Not really. I don't know. And then we got... Well, now, this is what I mean. Because today's 20th. So it warms there to 30 degrees, but then right after, close to 5 millimeters of rain 27th, 5 to 10 on the 28th, and now 2 to 4 on the 29th. I got a gut feeling though those days are going to be thunderstorm threats. Because we'll be under a ridging, and I guess sus feeling that's a shortwave trough or some shit pushing through, I don't know. Last I checked with the Long Ranger. But yeah, on that note, I'll see you guys later on today. Probably. This is the radar, and to be honest with you, not much interesting. If anything interesting, had that thing there, but again, no lightning. Again, and again, and again, not very interesting.
Alright, here's the morning update. Yeah, so 30% chance of showers late this afternoon, 6% chance of showers this evening, and then tomorrow 30% chance of showers in the morning and early in the afternoon with the risk of a thunderstorm. I got the day off, so yay. We won't get anything. 6% chance of showers Wednesday night, and then 30% chance of showers Thursday, and 25 right down to fucking 14 degrees. It's because of a very cold upper low moving over. And to add the icing on the cake, quickly drop. It goes from 14 all the way to 32 and a few days later. 32 and 33. I'll begin to start the summer. I guess, if you will. On that note, yeah. I'll see you guys later on today. If not tomorrow. Here's the forecast update for the morning. Yeah. There's a severe threat up, and I don't believe there should be one, but there's a severe watch up in the Shuswap area that I was actually initially planning on going to, Salmonheim area. But I'm withholding. More so based off what I saw yesterday, which was pretty much everything to the north of Shuswap if anything strong develops. If anything strong develops. I'm not saying severe, strong. I don't think there'll be anything severe today. Now, to be officially classified severe, they would have to warn it. Otherwise, unless they warn it, it's not severe. Unless they can say otherwise, it'll be just strong. It'll be any other strong, normal summertime thunderstorm without a severe warning. But that warms up. That special weather statement's for the heat, and then come Tuesday we get back to fucking more rain. 6% chance of showers there. Probably a thunderstorm there, to be honest with you, with a 26-degree fucking high, but yeah. Work day 4. Hit the 4 that day, so we'll see. I'm not off on Monday, but I think I work early. Yeah, I work early Monday, so 6:30 to 3, so I'll be able to experience the heat. So, yeah, I'm not going to show you guys the outlook from them because I don't believe it. If I don't believe in it, I don't show it. And then the special weather statement in place. Saturday to at least early next week. Low to mid-30s, with lows down to the mid-teens. Nothing special. They do this. I actually looked at why they looked at these special weather statements. It's just, I don't know. The thing is, it's just because we haven't experienced anything of this sort of heat for the season, so they issue a special weather statement for it.
So it's actually nothing out of the ordinary particularly. It's just because it's been cool for so long. They feel the need to issue a special weather statement for such a quick increase. Especially considering we're actually going from like 15, 16 degree low tomorrow to 30, 33, 30 to 30, like 30 fucking 5. But yeah, I bet you like some southwest interior areas by this weekend. So yeah, on that note, I'll see you guys later on today. Definitely with the radar, just to confirm my suspicion that this is going to be strong thunderstorms today up there. Not severe. Jesus. It's just been persistently windy. It's that upper low moving through. It's just, well, not upper low. Southwest jet moving over. We're kind of sitting on the split end of it. It's just just hammering down some strong winds here. Definitely in the 50k range or some. And because we're sitting directly under it, most of the thunderstorms are so far up north right now. Like the left exit there and the right exit down there are both producing thunderstorm potential. Kind of like as the jet kind of disperses, we're sitting directly under the jet, so it's not real. It's because of where we are positioned and how the jet is and where the upper low is, we're getting jack shit today other than this. Other than some warm, dry weather. Warm, dry, windy weather. More summer-like. These guys over here are fucking doing their... They have a roof over here. And starting to wonder what the hell is going to start happening up here. You may think you have everything down, then one thing goes and the rest does. Great thing about this not being open because, well, this will be put over here eventually. Hopefully this weekend. Because this looks like shit. But this is going to be put over here this week. Put over there, and then this is going to be back to what it was used for. But till then, it looks like shit, but we got a nice opening here for these winds. But yeah, as I said, we're sitting directly under the jet where the part disperses, so the actual upward motion is pretty gobsmackingly bad over here. It's more so like descend. It's like this, and then it curves up. Like you kind of got the southwesterly flow, southwesterly here, but it turns more southwesterly, but then diverges just to our east. So then you got these little bits of cumulus you can see over here, but because of the motion right now, it's just not doing any wonders right now for us. This is where we're positioned in relativity. If the jet was more dispersing right over us, holy shit, we'd be banging right now. But Christ, you can't even see anything right now. It is totally clear skies right now. Almost totally clear. There's a few clouds in the sky. But yeah. Been out here for an hour, and it's been going on good some for an hour, so for most of the afternoon thus far. So yeah, but honestly, it's not that interesting. Not much more interesting right now. I knew we weren't going to get thunderstorms today from the beginning. I don't know why we were put in it. I had some confidence with these ridges, but not even that's going. So, yeah. In the end, pretty ass. Not much interesting at all. Yeah. Hot. Yeah, we can go in. Not much. And then the wind might pop back out later, but otherwise, that's it. Alright, here's the forecast update. It's first in a while. It's been pretty garbage. It's just warm weather. I mean, yay, hot weather, 30 degrees. Yeah. I live in the fucking interior. 30 degrees is nothing special. But yeah, after that though, Tuesday, 6% chance of showers all day. That's going to be a thunderstorm threat. I can guarantee you that. That is without saying the weather network is as such saying risk of thunderstorms for Tuesday. That's without the weather network. It's going to undoubtedly be a thunderstorm threat for Tuesday. I got to figure out when I work that day. My mind's completely blank when I work that day. When I work till that day. But nonetheless, and then Tuesday, there's 6% chance shower, 6% chance of risk of thunderstorms, close to 5 millimeters of rain, so it's looking good. And then after that, warms back up a bit. Like, it's going to be just a brief thing here, and we dry a bit up again, then maybe some odd chance of thunderstorms into July there. It's not going to be anything super special, and then we, like I said, it's go down. Close to 10 millimeters the 4th, close to 5 on the 5th. And then again, it's now we're in that point of summer where it's not going to be consistently shit. You know what I mean, in terms of weather? Like, cool and unsettled. Now we're at that point in summer where it's actually going to be warm and thunderstormy. Or warm and rainy. Not cool and fucking rainy or thunderstormy or whatever. It's a shitty word to use, thunderstormy. But whatever. On that note, yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on tomorrow. Today, if not tomorrow. There we go. Alright, here's the forecast update for today. Toasty, 29 degrees at the airport. As of now, the peak is at 33 degrees at home. Maybe off by a degree or so, but nonetheless, 33 degrees tomorrow. It's probably going to be a lot warmer than that again. And then Tuesday, still 6% chance of showers all day. It's going to be a thunderstorm threat. Risk of severe thunderstorms are going to be possible. I worked that day, I believe 8 to 4:30, so fucking kill me. Well, hopefully something will happen here rather than, or near here anyways. The weather network is as stands. Risk of a thunderstorm on Tuesday there all day, and then trace on the 29th. Another close to 1 on the 2nd, July 2nd. Close to 5 on July 4th or 3rd. I'm hot as fuck in this car. 5 to 10 millimeters on the July 4th. Another 1 to 3 on July 5th, and then it dries up there. Although that could be a bit dubious. There will be a little bit of a dry break after that severe threat as well. So nonetheless, on that note, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, holy crap. Fucking thing won't stand up properly. Here's the morning update. Risk of a thunderstorm late in the morning and in the afternoon tomorrow. High of 27 to 29. Human value 6, and then 40% chance of showers Tuesday night. 30% chance of showers before morning tonight. The high of 33 degrees today. Just went backwards with that. But we'll be gradually
But after Wednesday, there's a short break, and then we get another round of shit at the end of the period. I don't know what day it is. I believe it is July 2nd or July 3rd. I would have to double check that. But nonetheless, 1 to 3 millimeters on the 28th, with the risk of thunderstorms. Showing risk of strong thunderstorms, I'll show you guys that in a second. And then close to 5 millimeters, like I said, June 3rd and 4th. And then after that point, there's a few more days of close to millimeters to trace of rainfall. And that's it. Just for the proof, there it is, risk of strong thunderstorms tomorrow. On that note, I will see you guys later on today, if not tomorrow. And yeah. Fucking course.